Hey, y'all. I know it's been a minute. I know it's been a long little minute. But watch, you want to see how I did this beautiful Eastern Star look on my mom? Just stay tuned. Okay, y'all. So this is my mom. We just go ahead and start off by cleaning her face with some toner. I use toner. Some people use alcohol, whatever. And I'm going to use my Nicka K dark brown eyebrow pencil or pencil. And we're gonna make her some eyebrows. She didn't have any eyebrows, so we're gonna make her some eyebrows. And yeah, I do apologize. My mom kept falling asleep, so if you see me, tilt to her head to the front, that's what I'm doing, trying to wake her up, and so y'all can see what I'm doing. I'm just making her some eyebrows, first some outlining on both sides, and then we're gonna fill it in. And so it looks thick on camera, but it wasn't that thick. And then her eyebrow, I just traced the outline of her eyebrows to what they already were. They was just, blonde or non-existent. And then we're just gonna fill them in. Now I'm taking my concealer, my Ruby Kisses concealer. I think it's in the color a beige or something like that, but I'm gonna make sure I have it in the description box for you guys to see. I'm just going to outline her eyes. Now one side would be like lighter, her eyeshadow is gonna be lighter, so up under her eyes is gonna be lighter for the eyeshadow. And then I had to lift her face up just to because as you get older, your skin starts to loosen up and sag. I won't say saggy, but it starts to loosen up and sag. It's not as tight as it was. I'm just lifting it up to make sure I have my arch complete. And I also put concealer on the top of the eyebrow just to clean it up on the top. I'm also putting my product on my hand because I feel like it comes off better on my hand since, our bodies are warm, are naturally warm. It just gives it that loose feeling to where I can apply it and work with it a lot better. I do apologize for my arms being in the way, my big old arms, but I was trying to make sure everything was good. So now I'm just blending out the concealer with my I think that's Kiss brush, makeup brush. And I got it from the beauty supply store, so it's not expensive. I think it was like $2 or $3. I'm also using some setting powder just to set the concealer so it won't move. So now we're drawing the Eastern Star. Now this star, I wouldn't say it gave me problems, but it definitely made me tap into my artistic skills. So all I did was found an Eastern Star picture on Pinterest and then just drew the star. Now you can erase it if you mess up by using the makeup sponge. And I don't think my sponge wasn't wet, so it was a lot easier to erase. And I'm using a white, just a regular pencil, like an eyebrow pencil, not an eyebrow pencil, but like a regular just makeup pencil. Yeah, she kept falling asleep on me. And so now I'm using some the lightest concealer that I could find, just to make the colors in the star pop a lot better. I'm just gonna fill in that star. Yeah, excuse the clothes on the floor. I think those are clothes. We were just, trying on stuff. She wasn't really going anywhere. We were just trying on things. So now I am setting the star with my setting powder. I'm gonna say it's in the color banana. I think it's the Kiss products as well. So this palette I got from Amazon. I will have the name of the palette in the description box. But it comes with like 3 of those little palettes. They have fall, summer, and spring. Yeah, fall, summer, and spring are like, yeah, something like that. But it's a 3D palette that has almost every color that you can think of. So now I'm gonna just follow the colors that I had on my iPad from the Eastern Star and putting it on. These brushes I got from Miss A. You can either go online to shop Miss A, or if you have a local store in your mall, double check your malls, because she popped up in Houston, and I was too happy. But definitely, you can definitely get it online, and she's selling a book, or the company sells it in a book. The eyeshadow. Lord, I can't talk. I'm sorry. The eyeshadow brushes she sells and book. Now with this, I use a different brush for the yellow, just because it was like a real light color. It was right there where the nose was, and I didn't want to like mess up the nose or mess up the outline. So that brush, I want to say I got it from the beauty supply store as well. And I'm just making her eyebrow a little bit darker. I feel like the eyeshadow kind of took it away. So now we're putting on her makeup. This makeup is the Fit Me makeup from Walmart. And it looks dark, or it might look too bright, but I'm just matching it from her neck, not her face. I will have this color in the description box as well. You want to make sure you get around the star. Some people put their foundation on and then trace out their face design. But I feel like that's wasting product, because nobody's gonna see that foundation upon the star. So that's wasting product. So now I'm doing the eyeshadow. I forgot to do the eyeshadow before the makeup, but it's okay. We're gonna be nice and careful. So I'm doing the red as like the outline of it, just because that's her color. That's my mom's color. Red just goes good with her skin tone. And then we're gonna do something like a cut crease, but not really a cut crease, just to make the gold that I'm going to use pop a lot more. And normally she's not supposed to be on her phone, but you know, that's my mama. Now I'm setting the concealer down with my powder. Then we're gonna go in with this like gold color. Now that palette is amazing. And that's from my Juvia's Place palette. I got it from Ulta Beauty. I think it's like $9 to $10. I got it on sale. I'm just going back in with my eyeshadow, just with the for the stars, just to make it pop. I wanted more color now that she has foundation on. Now I'm using this black eyeliner pencil, but it's like it's not the regular pencil, it's like a marker pencil that I didn't like. So I should have just stuck with my liquid eyeliner, but I was trying something new, you know, on my mama. I didn't like it. It made her eyeliner look a lot thicker than what I was trying to do. So now I'm going ahead and go in with the concealer contour. Now I'm bringing it all the way up just so you can clean up that line of eyeshadow if I did put some right there. Now she does not like anything around her eyes, and she did not tell me that before we started this makeup session. So it was really hard trying to get her to look up and relax. So this is it's like a shade brown, light brown contour. I got it from the beauty supply store. It is in Ruby Kisses, so I'm pretty sure, you know, it's like $5.99 or like $4.99 at the beauty supply store. I would definitely have it in the description box for you guys, to make sure you guys blend that out, especially on like a lighter complexion skin. Make sure you blend that out. So now I'm just blending. I'm going back and forth with that concealer sponge brush just to make sure that it's all blended in. Now I'm using pressed powder from the Fit Me pressed powder from Walmart. Y'all, Walmart makeup is more, especially the Maybelline Fit Me. And now I'm going in with like that same shade as the contour shade. You guys see how dark it is on the cheeks? Yeah, make sure y'all blend it out. You don't need a lot, especially on a lighter complexion skin. You don't need a lot. So now I'm going in with my lip gloss because my mom's lips was a little dry, sis. And then I'm also using like a matte lipstick. So, you know, when you do that, you want to make sure you have, you know what I'm saying, a base coat, a primer. So I'm going in with like a dark eyebrow pencil or lip pencil. And I'm just going to shape her lips because I want like an ombre red color. And so I will have this company, the matte lipstick, in the description box. I got it from Amazon. And then you guys said give you a whole set for like, I think $21, $20. And they have nice colors. Going back in with that same lip pencil, and we're going to like make it ombre. Yeah, she was trying to steal a look in every chance she got. So now what I'm doing is outlining my star just to make it pop more, so it's more visible and the lines look more cleaner. I do apologize for my big old arm, but now you can see I'm just tracing out. Now, what I should have done was trace out the other side of the blue star, you know, but I wanted to give like a illusion to where it's like blended in together with the makeup. But if you want more of a, you know, firm 3D look, definitely outline the other side of the blue. This is her favorite part, her eyelashes, but she could not sit still to put them on. So now I'm using my Fit Me press powder. And we're just going to go around, make sure it's all even, doesn't have too much of a white base color look that she gonna sit on her look again. Oh, now she thinks she's cute. And now I'm using the blush. Well, you use like a darker blush, but like even, you know, with us having two different skin tones, we both use the same blush because we don't want to look like clowns or it'd be too bright for the look that we're going for. And yeah, she had to go find her some earrings to put on while I was doing her face. And I also did her hair. We was going for like a messy color. So now with the star, we're gonna add some eyelash glue. We're gonna do to put on her rhinestones. So when I was telling her about it, I was like, I'm getting a vision of 3 in a triangle. And she started laughing. So I'm like, that means something, but I can't tell you what it means. And I'm like, girl. So yeah, as you see on my hand, I have 3 rhinestones. They going into like a triangle. So that's what we're doing, just to spruce up the star and make it more, you know, elegant. Now I'm taking my Juvia Place palette and I'm going to just highlight the nose, the cheek, and the forehead, just to give it like a little shimmer. I'm gonna go, like I said, we're gonna put a messy bun. Not messy bun, Lord. Messy bang. Yeah, she started smiling, them cheeks started coming together. So thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more, anything from me, let me know. I will have my Instagram in the description box. Thank you guys for watching.